Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Emily, and in today's video I will share a really short video where I'm creating a Christmas cards. So I hope this will inspire you, because I was excited when I created this card. It was so easy, you guys. Sometimes I think we are just making stuff harder that isn't hard, but this came together so quickly and fast. But I also had really great products when I created, so I just wanted to point that out. So I'm using products from Diva today, and you can see I am starting here by cutting away the memory decks part from this Santa book memory decks. And I will only be using one of these in the finished project, but I have a couple of to go to other projects if I like to create those. But I had a different idea when I started this, that I just should have the books, but it turned out to be a little bit too big and you couldn't really see that it was books. So I went in a different direction. But I wanted to point that out because that is a really cute idea as well, if you like to copy that one and create that instead. So here you can see I have my books here all ready. There also comes with some presents, and you can see a sentiment to the side. I never ended up using that for today's project, but you definitely can use that in another one. And that, by the way, comes from the Scripty gingerbread words, but I didn't use that, as I said, for this video. For my focal point, I pulled out the new gingerbread nesting set. It comes in many sizes, and I just picked one that I thought would look good with a book. Not too small, not too big, definitely a focal point. And you can see I'm just going around the edges with some brown color just to give it that gingerbread look. And when I was done with that, I will start decorating this little guy with some eyes and also the sugary parts for his legs and arms. So I think this is just adorable. It comes actually with more parts that you can decorate with, but I didn't do it for this, for my project for today. Sorry about the glare, by the way. I had it underneath when I ink blended just to protect my desk, but it gives the horrible glare when I am filming, so I'm sorry about that. So cute, this little guy. And I also wanted to create a bow. This one comes from the peppermint lollipop and bow die set. You can definitely have it on the lollipop, but I decided to go ahead and have it like a little bow on the gingerbread's head later on. So some rosy cheeks as well. By the way, I'm using blending brushes from Trinity Stamps. And I will now go ahead and attach the eyes and the bottoms for my little gingerbread. And of course the mouth as well. So cute. You really can play around with the personality if you like. But I went quite straightforward. For the little gingerbread lollipop itself, I decided to go ahead and use the peppermint heart candy shaker and just create that. So cute. And I had sort of the peppermint stripes to the inside, to the back, the lid, or whatever we're gonna call this. So we have a little shaker. So cute. And the little bow, you definitely could have had that on the lollipop itself. That would have been cute as well. For the sentiment, I went with bakery, and this is from the gingerbread words. So these are the same words as in the scripted one, but these are more individual cut letters. So this is a little trick. I just went around and traced the inside with some glue, and then I could just pop them in place here with my tool. For the backer piece for this, I used the Fireplace mini album. This is sort of an insert piece or something like that, but I used it as a layer. I love the stitching and the rounded edges for this. A lot of dimension, you guys, for the gingerbread cookie. And then we can have this raised up behind our book. I think that is really cute. It's like it's a recipe book for gingerbreads or for Christmas or whatever we're gonna make this. So I think that was a cute idea. And of course some more finishing touches with a white gel pen and some enamel dots, and then our card is finished. I hope you enjoyed this quick video of how you can create a card only using dice and no stamps at all. I really had a blast creating this shaker card, and I hope you enjoyed the process video as well. I will have links below for you, and I will soon be back with some more content. Bye!